Let me show you how to redeem Roblox gift cards on mobile. Now, if you're on the mobile app for Roblox and you wanted to add more of your Robux and you have a gift card, I'll show you how to redeem it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, unfortunately, you cannot do it in the Roblox app itself. It allows you to buy Robux, but not redeem the gift card itself. We need to hop out of here and open up a web browser. You can use Safari or Google Chrome to be able to do this, and you need to go specifically to roblox.com/redeem. Again, roblox.com/redeem and hit go. After you've done that, it says enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code. Keep in mind, you will need to log into your account first. So just navigate to that card. You can see just an example here. Basically, you're just going to take those numbers and letters and hit copy. And then on here, we're just going to paste that code directly into the web browser. After you've done that, I can just hit redeem. Of course, this has already been used because it was just an example, but you're going to enter it in here and you'll be able to see your Robux. You should be able to tap at the top right and see your Robux on here and go to My Transactions, and you'll be able to see that redeemed Robux directly on here. Now, keep in mind, if you don't see that, you might want to just close out of the app completely. So close out of the app, open up the app again, and then just tap on that Robux icon and then see if it updates with your new balance. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.